So running Google Ads can actually help you scale your business and to really give you the numbers you want, okay? The problem here is there are a lot of people who are running Google Ads and are not getting the result. The problem is they do not do the due diligence, okay? They don't do the right thing before they start running Google Ads. And in this video, I'm going to take you through some of the most important things you need to do before you will run Google Ads. Basically, the most important things that will make your ads effective, hit your target audience, and basically get to the numbers you want. If this is your first time being here, I share lots of insights about digital marketing and also how you can, sell digital products online. I teach you everything you need to know about digital marketing and selling digital products online. So subscribe so that you won't miss any important video I'm going to post on this channel. So number one on this list is to understand your offer. Okay, what are you offering? What problem are you solving? And who are your target audience? You need to be very clear on your offer. That is the product you are selling or the services that you are offering. And you need to understand the needs of your customers. You need to know that you need to have a clear understanding of your offer before you can start running Google Ads, because Google is not going to help you fix this. They will not help you fix it. Just understand that it is very competitive, okay, with your budget and a great landing page and all of that. If you don't write right offers and you don't make it right, no one is going to help you do it, and Google is not going to help you fix it. So you have to understand your offer first before you will start running Google Ads. Number two on my list is doing your research and understanding who your target audience are, understanding their intent, understanding what they want. Just put yourself in their shoes. If you are your customer, what are you looking for? What will you be searching? Understand exactly their need and how you can help solve that need. So when you understand that, you understand your audience and you know how to write your ad copies in a way they can basically see it, be motivated to click on it and get on your landing page. You have to do this in a manner it will attract them, so that once they go through or see your lines, they will know that truly this is what they want. And we have to also understand their demographics and psychographics and their location. All of this is what comes with your audience research. You need to know where they live. You need to know if they are already interacting with other competitors of yours, so that you can be able to offer similar stuff or what will appeal to them, so they can be able to click on your ad and visit your landing page. That's the second thing. The third most important thing here is your landing page, your website, wherever they are going once they click on your ads. Okay, if you can do that very well, if you don't have a fast loading landing page, if you don't have it set up in a way it's attractive and send the message so they get on your page and they easily understand what your page is all about, they are going to leave. And if they leave, there is what we call bounce rate, and bounce rate is going to increase, and it will tell Google that your ads are not relevant or your landing page is bad. So Google will stop sending people to your landing page. Google will stop showing your ads as frequent to the right important or the most relevant audience. So you need to make sure your landing page is fast loading. You need to make sure the message on your landing page helps your audience navigate and make a purchase. So you need to make sure your landing page is clean and easy to understand. That's number three on my list. Now, number four could be a bit technical, but it's very important. You need to set up your conversion tags, okay? If you're using WordPress or you're using any other platform, and you can do this yourself, get an expert to help you set up your conversion tags. Is very important. When you set your conversion tags, you help Google understand what is happening when people click and visit your website, whether they take the action that you want them to take, which is to buy immediately, or they are adding those products in the cart, or whatever they're doing. Google is tracking and making sure they understand what is going on when these people land on your page and the kind of actions they are taking. So integrate your website with Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager to make sure you set up those conversion tags, so that Google will have a clear understanding of who your audience are and what they are looking looking for and what they're doing when they land on your website. All right, so that's number 4. Number 5, whenever you run those ads, do not go and sleep. You need to come every day and check your ads. It's very important. You can run a very good campaign, have all the right words, and once your campaign start running, if you disappear, you are not optimizing your campaign, you are going to drop on the ranks and Google will stop sending people to your page. I mean, you can use AI to optimize your ads, but you still need to follow up to understand what is happening so you can consistently optimize your ads so you continuously make money while you spend money on Google Ads. So these are the 5 things I recommend you do before you start running Google Ads. Okay, in my next video, which I'm also going to link in the description of this page, you are going to practically learn how to create Google Ads for the first time and the right things you need to do before you can hit that publish campaign and start running Google Ads. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if this is your first time, please do subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you'll get all the videos I post on this YouTube channel. All right.